MDS is the most beautiful part of your MDS journey. You tend to enter in your new city, you have new people to interact with, relatives are scanty, you are a bit afraid. But slowly and slowly you gain a lot of experience and you tend to make new friends, you tend to indulge into new relationship, you have new family over there, plus you tend to enjoy over there. So, but there are situations, it is not always the road you will have will be full of flowers. There will be road that will be full of thorns. So my name is Dr. Shabista Jabi and you are watching Clinical Dentistry Hub. So today I am going to share with you the mistake I made while pursuing my Master of Dental Surgery program, so that you people don't make such mistake and you avoid such mistake, so that you lead your Master of Dental Surgery program as the beautiful journey. The first point is that being straightforward. So what happened that I was very straightforward during my post-graduation studies. What I feel, I tend to speak that in front of the staff without thinking that they might feel bad for it, my other co-PGs might feel bad for that. For that I have faced certain circumstances also, certain situations also. So because you tend to speak openly in front of them, they will not think that what the situation the student is going through. They will just say that कि अभी इसने ये बोल दिया. They are not your family, they will not take you as your family over there. The thing you have to understand is that because you have to spend your 3 beautiful years over there with those people, so you should think wisely before saying that. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर एक को आपका बोला हुआ अच्छा लगे, बुरा बहुत सिर्फ 0.11% लोग हैं जिनको अच्छा लग सकता है, बाकी सबको बुरा ही लगता है. तो दी सेकेंड थिंग इज़ दैट बीइंग यू शुड स्टार्ट सेइंग नो टू द सिचुएशन you do not like, because there will be certain situations that you will have lot of work with you, your seniors will give, staff will be giving, and you will start saying yes to everything. It is you who has to face certain situations, certain circumstances. You will go to your hostel, you will still have to do lot of work. You will think that अभी मेरा अपना भी काम बचा है और ये काम भी करना है. तो the circumstances you have to see. The other person who has given you work will be enjoying, will be spending time in a very good way. It is you who has to suffer. So from the very first day of your Master of Dental Surgery program, start saying no to the work you think you cannot do, rather than facing you in such circumstances which might harm you. The third mistake which I made is not working on your hobbies, because I believe that everyone has certain talents which we sacrifice for pursuing our profession. So certain things are there which is not to be sacrificed. You should start following your hobbies. What I did that in my first year, passed out like that, I started my YouTube channel in the second year. So I feel that it was totally wastage of 1.5 years that I was not into because it was one of my hobbies to pursue, is because everyone has a personal talent and I believe that he or she should pursue while performing their professional work only, because you should not let your artist die in you, because everyone will study, everyone will pass out, सब पास होंगे, सब पढ़ के जाएंगे. What will be left with you is your extracurricular talent that will be with you. So polish yourself wisely while doing your professional work. The fourth thing is that asking too much question. There will be certain situation also you will see that you are not understanding certain points and you will tend to ask much and much of questions. What happened with me when I tried to ask question, I was being told that कि इसका यही आंसर है. If you do not know this, you go and read certain things. Come tomorrow, we'll tell you the answer. The other day you go, the other day also they will say that you haven't read this properly. Go read this, then they will tell you the answers. बस इसका एक ही फ़ायदा होता है. You tend to acquire lot of knowledge by reading. Ultimately it is the knowledge that you are gaining by reading things. इसका एक ये फ़ायदा है. और plus it has a drawback also that people will start thinking and will start taking you for granted, will think that कि ज़्यादा स्मार्ट बन रहे हैं, इनको आता है, जान पूछ के पूछ रहे हैं हमें नीचा दिखाने के लिए. बट जनरली ऐसा होता नहीं है. इफ़ यू फेस सर्टन प्रॉब्लम you should ask, but you should not ask too much question. It's better that you discuss this with your senior rather than going to the staff. Following someone blindly. The mistake this I made while during my Master of Dental Surgery program, is that what I advise you is that do not follow someone so blindly that it might affect your life. It's better that you judge it, you see with your 2 eyes, you hear with your 2 ears. Then only you start following that person blindly. What happened with me? There were certain situation which we were told that कि ये बात आगे जाके staff को पता नहीं लगेगी, we'll just keep it like this only. The next day when you will come to the college, you are being scolded for the very same reason the other person has promised you that will not let you out. So उस time you were तो very open, you were very friendly with them, but then you will feel very bad. So from the very first day, it is you have to take very wise decision that which one person is to be blindly followed and which one is not to be. The sixth thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to see that with which co-PGs or with which senior you have to open up. Because why I am saying so, because if you trust someone blindly and you go and speak certain things against any staff, because being a human you will feel certain things that will humiliate you and you tend to speak them in front of your co-PGs and in front of your staff. The other day the staff will be yelling out to you and you will see that the things are out to the staff कि उनको सब पता लग गया है. Then your trust is being broken down. So before trusting someone, it's better that you don't trust someone while during your entire MDS journey. It is better is that not everyone is to be trusted over there. I believe that if you cannot keep your secret to yourself, how can you expect someone else to keep secret for you? So this thing you have to keep in mind, that before saying anything you have to think twicely. Before expressing your views on certain topic, you have to keep your point to yourself. If you are feeling bad for any situation, it is better to go home and cry out for it rather than explaining it to the people and demanding justice for it, because everyone is there to pass their time. They are not there that will provide you the justice to you. The seventh thing is that do not quarrel with your senior. Why I am saying so? Because there is certain times that your senior, if you give certain answer, your senior will feel or may not feel bad for it. But in situation, if he or she feels bad for it and will have an envy against you, it's better that you don't speak up, just agree and say yes. Why I am saying so? It's better that you don't go and quarreling against any senior. But if you feel that you are right, it's better that you should have a courage to stand up for you, because the certain things happens with me, but ultimately I created this YouTube channel and many of them have told that how this YouTube channel has changed someone's life after reading the comments. So the other person also felt the same way, that the other person is very much talented, and so that I do not demanded any respect for myself. It is that you have to earn it by the work you do for the people. So that is what I do, and I am very much happy with that also. And the very first mistake which I missed out is that doing the preclinical work very fast. There are certain times you will feel that ये काम हमें आता है तो जल्दी जल्दी करके स्टाफ से अप्रूव करा लेते हैं. But at the other time your co-PGs are doing it very slowly. The staff may think that कि अगर इसका पास हो गया तो other student will lag behind. तो वो सबको बराबर देखना चाहते हैं. They want everyone to be equal in race. ना कोई आगे ना कोई पीछे, सब बराबर. But what I believe that it should not be like that. You should try to encourage person who is working hard. It is not like कि ये बना के ले आए तो इसका साइन कर दो. You should also see the hard work behind it. रात भर का नहीं सोना भी देखना चाहिए, rather than disrespecting the work the other PGs are doing. Because what I believe that they will tend to indulge you in Viva. Then you have to clear Viva, then your this preclinical work will be passed. But the other PGs who is having problem in doing preclinical work, they will say कि अभी तो इसने 1 महीने में ये बनाया, अब इसका क्या ही वाइवा ले, साइन करके पास करके भेज देते हैं. चलो वाइवा हो रहा है, इट इज़ इम्प्रूविंग योर नॉलेज, बट एट सम टाइम you will feel bad for it. There will be certain times you will be scolded for, but the other student will not be scolded for. it. You will feel that why it is like that. So you have to accept these things, and then they will say that because they have expectations from you, that's why they are scolding you. They from the other person they don't have. So this you might feel, you might be hurted about it, but it's okay. Why I am saying so? Because you have to spend your 3 beautiful years with those people over there. So before saying anything, before judging anyone, it's better that you think twice wisely about it. So this was all about the mistake I made during my MDS program. If you have any problem, you can just put it down in the comment section, and you can follow me on the Instagram with the name Clinical Dentistry Hub. And yes, you can message me directly over there. I will definitely. Difficult for me to make video on this topic. I was just thinking to make this video from the past 1.5 months that I will make. So it was very difficult for me to tell you the story of all about this. I think that it might not have offended anyone, but if it really did, I don't care at all. So this was all about it. So please, if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I am signing it off. Take care. Bye bye.